The 2025 Mercedes-Benz C-Class brings luxury and prestige to the compact sedan segment. Welcome to Bike and Car Saga. Speed up to your ride. Today I will share the 2025 Nissan Armada overview, performance, interior and technology, safety features, pricing and options. So, let's enjoy. Wearing the same distinguished styling as the larger E-Class and S-Class sedans, the Mercedes-Benz C-Class is tasked with bringing similar levels of luxury and prestige to the compact sedan segment. With high-end materials and modern technology, it offers a sophisticated driving experience. The turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and 9-speed automatic transmission provide smooth power delivery. The C-Class is powered by a 255 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter engine, enhanced by a 48-volt hybrid system. It offers rear-wheel drive as standard, with all-wheel drive available. The C304 Matic accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.3 seconds. Inside, the C-Class mirrors the luxurious S-Class with a digital gauge display and touch-sensitive controls. It features an 11.9-inch infotainment touchscreen with the latest MBUX system, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. Mercedes equips the C-Class with standard driver assistance features, including automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection. Overall, the C-Class is about 2.5 inches longer than the outgoing model, and its wheelbase has been stretched by an inch. Mercedes-Benz says that results in more rear seat legroom, but in reality, the difference is negligible. Optional features include adaptive cruise control with lane centering and lane keeping assist. For crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety websites. All models also come with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, wireless device charging, and a fingerprint sensor to authenticate the driver's unique profile for memory settings. A head-up display, an ambient lighting system, and a Burmester surround sound stereo system are all optional extras. The 2025 C-Class starts at $49,600 with 3 trims: Premium, Exclusive, and Pinnacle. The Exclusive trim offers the best value. Options include the AMG line package, panoramic sunroof, and 4-matic all-wheel drive for an additional $2,000. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up, and share. See you next.